go. Nice chunk. Nice. No joke. I haven't been joking all day. No joke. This is how. Yeah, I'm working more here than I do at work, and that's a lot for me to say because I don't do that much over there either. But they got me working here today, though. Look, this is how you clean.
How are you working?
You've been doing all the work. That's what I'm trying to say. All this controversy, guys. All this controversy. This is how you clean a 285-pound swordfish in the Estados Unidos. This is how you do. Look, Mike, you did a good job.
Of course I did.
All bones. Bro, you know how much yellow eyes you got right there? Look at yellow eyes, yellow tails, mangrove snapper, lane snapper right there in between the bones. You know what I'm saying? And my boy right there, George. George, you're famous on YouTube, buddy.
Infamous.
Oh, we're gonna do some sashimi, guys. Cobia, blackfin tuna, and swordfish. Right here, we don't discriminate. Little, small, large, we eat them all. Respect. I'm out. Look what this big old swordfish ate. I could only count to 10 because I run out of fingers. So you guys, if you want to take a picture of this video and then count how many squids this big old swordfish had inside his stomach.
Wait. Yeah, now it is.
Okay, guys. Where's my background? Where's this? Look at those skills. Guys, welcome to the Slippery Beast Raw Bar Sashimi Cleaning Table, Eating Table,
Sleeping table.
there you go. Okay, so anyways, watch the skills, guys. You get a cup, put the wasabi like that. Right? Put the wasabi back over here for the next person next to you. Where am I? Okay.
No, that's my cup, yeah.
Okay. And yeah. So we got 285-pound swordfish, never seen electricity, never seen a refrigerator, never seen a freezer or a fish market. Then you have blackfin tunas. Then you have, thanks to my boy George right here, we have cobia. And then what we have here, we have some ginger. So we don't discriminate, guys, here. Just get your stuff, mix it up, you know. Dark meat, white meat, we don't discriminate. All right? Now watch this. Oh
no.
It's still alive. It's still alive. Oh, yeah, that's some ginger. Boom. Watch this.
There's a young lady waiting right here, dude.
He doesn't clean the fish, he eats it first. That's what happens. He goes, no.
This is the best, by far, best sashimi I have had to date. Even the swordfish head, and we also have the swordfish bill, which we're eventually gonna treat and dry up and keep for souvenir. Swordfish head for soup. I know it looks kind of weird, but look who's looking at who. You're looking at, he's looking at you, kid. Guys, you're probably wondering what we're up to today. Actually, I have a special guest.
Yes.
I got my boy Ariel from Miami 305 joining me in today for a little lunch. And he's also, because he's doing really good on his channel, I do recommend obviously to go in his channel and check it out. I'm a subscriber and I wouldn't want to do anything else. But besides that, we're gonna strategize on this YouTube thing, and maybe with my little experience, he's got more experience than I do, but our numbers are a little bit different, whatever. And it's not even about the numbers, it's about that we're having a good time and we want to share to the world what we're doing.
Basically, we got to turn all those subscribers that he got into view time. So not only does he have the 1,000 subscribers, he gets that 4,000 hours, so he's monetized. So all these fishing trips help out, because it's not cheap to go out there every time and go fishing. His gas is expensive, bait, and time.
The sun too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's what we're doing today, guys, and he's treated me to some swordfish. So
swordfish, and
yes.
Let me turn the camera around. So here's the scenario here, guys. Oh, sorry. Little glimpse of the scenario of paradise. Yeah, paradise. Right here.
This is
Okay.
definitely Miami living right here.
So we got swordfish steak right here. Big ass chunk of swordfish steak, probably feed a good, let me see, three people.
Easy.
So then we got Bigfoot toe, blackfin tuna. Blackfin tuna is on these bags right here. And then for my wife's special, the churrasco. Here, guys.
Angus.
There you go. That's where it's at. All right.
Alright, guys. So
Oh, yeah.
this is the preparation part.
So guys, I have to give credit where credit is due. This is a pro fillet knife from Cast Kings. My boy Gus from Two Bears Outdoors. This is where respect comes into play right here. Nobody touches my swordfish other than Cast King Pro Fillet Knife.
There we go.
Gus, this is on you. Let's see what you got.
Let's see it in action. Guys, this is a straight shot, no cutting. You guys are gonna get it live right here.
So this is gonna turn into a pork chop after we cut it. We can leave the skin on, especially for grilling what we're doing today. And we're gonna cut 1 inch steaks. Look at this, guys. No joke, look at this knife. Oh. Look at that. All right. And we're gonna do a little same thing as I always prepare anything with. It's not the seasoning, it's the flavor of the fish that changes. The seasoning is always the same. A little sprinkle here, and that's it. A little sprinkle there, and that's it, guys. We're trying to keep it as natural as it's possibly can. This fish has not seen an electricity, a refrigerator, a freezer, or a fish market. Straight from the ocean, right from here.
Yes,
That's
sir.
it. We went fishing, actually we went fishing today, Michael and I, and you'll see that we haven't even posted this video yet. 285-pound monstrous beast of a swordfish and 2 tunas.
Nice.
You gotta stay tuned. You gotta be subscribed. Anyways, let's leave that behind. Bigfoot toe. I mean, blackfin tuna.
Does the seasoning change with the different type of fish?
No. The seasoning stays the same. The only thing that changes is the flavor of the fish. I always use the same seasoning. That's it. I know that the colors and the flavors are out there for people to explore. I explore the flavor of the fish, not the seasoning. That's it.
Exactly.
Now, I know that you guys are probably wondering, man, this guy right here, he could be doing sashimi with this beautiful ass tuna. I know. Sometimes when you have too much tuna and stuff like that, then you could actually...
Or what they don't know is that you already did.
What's great about having a pool, and now you're going to change them to marinating the steaks. You go like this.
There you go.
Yeah, now the steak is going to taste like the chlorine, not swordfish.
And of course, we can't forget about the wives.
Okay.
What we call churrasco.
This is churrasco right here. It's very fatty on this side.
For those of you guys that don't know the Spanish version, that's skirt.
Skirt, yes sir. Angus. The Angus is a mangus.
And
Normally, the Brazilians and the Argentinian only put thick salt on this churrasco steak. I'm just going to put something in here so that my wife doesn't hate, and that's it. I'm out.
Alrighty, so here
Oh,
now
we're
we're on
rolling?
the grill. We're rolling.
Extra virgin olive oil, guys. That's all you need. Little spray. Little spray. You guys know how to do a puzzle? Because I was never very good at doing puzzles. But we're gonna try not to contaminate the steak with the fish, because if not, it's gonna turn into this thing called a paella, where they mix up the shrimp, the fish, the pork,
And the
chicken.
wife wouldn't be happy either.
No. Anyways, now we're gonna do the blackfin tunas. Actually, we're making the blackfin tuna on the grill, but my wife wants to make it into a tuna salad with purple onions and mayonnaise. That's it.
That's it,
This
guys.
could be, Ariel, this could be a thumbnail. This could be a thumbnail
Oh, yeah,
for
for sure.
somebody's video.
Look at that right there. Look at that thumbnail right there. Boom.
And yeah, and the pool back there and everything. Yeah.
You can zoom out a little bit and get the pool in the way. Yep.
Okay.
All right.
Awesome.
All right, guys. A little bit of an update.
All right, guys. It hasn't been not more than what 2 minutes and the 3 minutes we've been talking around here.
Pretty much.
Shooting the shit. Okay. So the blackfin tuna. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Are you on grill marks and you're thinking, oh, you're hating because I got the aluminum foil out and you don't have the grill marks? Boom! Got the grill marks, guys.
There you go.
All right. Yeah, I just don't like corrosion and rust in my fish. And there's on that grill, there's gonna be some rust, but now you have to protect yourself. You know, from
This
the
grill sees a lot of swordfish. You know, more than any usual grill. So that's why there's a little bit of extra corrosion on there.
We're actually cooking the tuna whole full. Normally we don't. We would sear this tuna, but we're cooking it completely because we're gonna make a tuna salad for my wife. And look at this. Look at the swordfish. We're cooking the swordfish. As you can tell, we're all the way almost to the middle, and we're gonna let me do this real quick. Yeah. Boom.
Look at that.
All right, like a pork chop.
Yep.
And what we're gonna do here is we're gonna make these little things here. You see the grill marks, guys? Come on, look at the grill marks right there.
I wish you guys could smell this.
This literally weighs a pound. Oh yeah.
That'll feed a grown man right there.
Boom. You see what I'm talking about, guys?
That's the flip of the wrist.
And the most important is that little spray of extra olive oil. That's it. We'll be done before the steak is done. And look at the corn and the broccoli as well. Guys, right out of the grill, look at it, still smoking. This is what I'm talking about. Oh my God.
And I just had my piece off camera, guys. Oh man.
Oh my God, behind the scenes, in the scenes, this is the best, by far, swordfish I have had today.
Yes, sir.
You're making me choke. All right, watch this.
Boom. Look at that, guys.
Guys, I was never good at puzzles, all right? But look, this is a swordfish pizza. Look at that. Boom.
Boom.
Swordfish pizza.
Can't forget about the Bigfoot. The black
Bigfoot,
one, right?
Bigfoot toast. Bigfoot toast. You know, cross-contamination is all good. Swordfish eats tuna. What we're not going to contaminate is the steak.
Okay.
Yeah. Let me see.
For all you steak lovers, these are looking good up here too. Let's see.
Oh yeah, we need
yeah.
we need to cook the steak a little bit
A
more.
little bit more.
All right.
All
While
right,
that's happening, we're gonna eat
Yes, sir.
because we gotta do some strategic plays on the YouTube channel, collab, the numbers.
We got after we eat, we're gonna talk numbers.
Yeah, because I always I'm old school, and I always say work with what you got. So even in business, I give my customer like a one-stop shop. Oh, you need that service? Oh, you know what? We're gonna come up with that service to provide for you. Keep it in-house, one-stop shop. So we got a bunch of subscribers, new subscribers. I just got to get you guys to look at the long videos. So I'm gonna probably come up with a giveaway, maybe 20-pound swordfish giveaway, so that who shares, you gotta be subscribed first. You share a video to 20 people and they press like on it and maybe they says I got referred by somebody, you got your 20 pounds of swordfish. I may do that sooner than later.
Alrighty guys, so we got the plates already served up. We already did take a little bite. We snuck in a little bite. The tuna, awesome, but man, the swordfish, guys, it's on a different level. That's why when you see people catch these fish, it's a majestic fish, not only in the taste and the catching and the process, and this is awesome, man. Thanks for this treat. It really is awesome.
What's going on, guys? You're probably wondering, what am I up to now? So actually, as you can see, I got this pumpkin swordfish, and you guys have probably been hearing about this pumpkin swordfish. What's this about this pumpkin swordfish? Well, 90% of this swordfish's diet is the red shrimp. That's why the meat turns into this brilliant pink reddish color. Yeah, and supposedly is that much delicious than it is already. And then you're probably wondering about this here money bag. What's up with this money bag? It's awesome. So I'm loading up the swordfish into the money bag and then going to my mom's senior citizens facility. So I'm gonna go ahead and give this fish for them for free so they can enjoy some good quality fish, and a blessing in disguise. What's going on, guys? What's going on, guys? The sleep you ordered is out of stock. That's what his shirt says. So anyways, guys, don't want to miss out on how we caught this 285-pound swordfish. And yes, we caught it on the Slippery Beast. At the end screen of this video, you will find that video. Or if you look above, right here in my head, to the right or to the left, you'll find where you can link on that. And it's called How to Catch a Big 285-Pound Swordfish on our channel. Don't want to miss that. If you haven't seen it already, you can see it again. It's an amazing video. We do manual labors bringing up that big old swordfish from half a mile down to the bottom of the ocean with a 12-pound weight. Michael did a good job. That's why he's out here probably at the gym. I don't know. Or chasing. Isaiah says he's chasing tail. We're out. Maybe not. Oh, and by the way, yes, of course. Follow us to the aviation scene. We gotta do some works. Some safety sensitive inspection on airplane. What's up, guys? Over here on this engine, lounging like a 007 thing. Inside a cookie cutter. All right. Wow. What's up, guys? So we're out here in the aviation field today, and we're going to show you the size of a landing gear that supports the airplane, how big it is. Watch this. What's up, Mike? Get right here. The tires are about almost 4 feet long, and the structure is way bigger than Michael, way over here in the wing. It supports this entire airplane with this twin on the other side. Then it's got the nose landing gear, and that's it. It supports this big old airplane. That's pretty impressive. Yep. All right. Little aviation for you guys today. We out.